Hey guys, I'm showing you this Echsrt big pencil box. We received this as sample to test and try. So let's open this one. It's a portable zipper pencil bag with a pockets and or you can say a special pencil pouch for anyone to use. So this one is a outside material like you can put in your pen, easy to carry or easy to access. And then this one is a zipper just to put in your small stuff, the pens and stuff, and this one is to put in the large stuff. So basically it's a nice design with a meshy thing, a high quality one. So let's put in all the stuff in here. So say all the pens will come in here. You can also put the pens outside for easy access. That's how this pocket is. And then it's a handle uh, to carry in anywhere. So yeah, basically it's a nice design with a 9.44 inches in length and 4.72 inches in height. And just put in all the stuff in. So I just show that how much stuff it can carry. And you can put all the pens and then small flash drive and stuff in the zipper pocket. Then close the zipper. And this easy to handle with the handle. Have the name tag as well. So you can put it and say like if you want to have a quick access to a pen or any marker, you can put it in this pocket and you can have the easy access to it. So basically a very nice and pencil box, and use it anywhere you want.